This video covers the sales and tier price upload functionality from Business Central to Magento, through x2x integration solution. Uploading or updating price requires enabling the mandatory price upload option in Preferences. Go to Settings, and then under the mandatory settings, enable the upload price. Click Save. Now, open the x2x Magento tab, and then go to Upload Inventory and Prices. This will open a window, where you can define the parameters for bulk price and inventory updates. The first field shows the date and time of the last update. Only prices modified after this date, and time will be updated. You can change it if required. Finally, click on Upload Sales and Tier Prices, to start uploading the prices. Items prices are also uploaded, when the item is uploaded from BC to Magento. Or, through the Upload Sales Price and Regular Price option, in the item card x2x Actions. Our integration also allows uploading prices based on customers' groups. Go to the x2x Magento tab, and then open the customer group mapping. The Magento customer price groups downloaded from the Magento appear in the left column. Map the corresponding Business Central customer groups in the right column. Now the prices will get updated for specific customer groups as well, when they are uploaded. This is how x2x Business Central and Magento integration solutions ensure that prices on your Magento site are always updated. Still not sure if x2x eCommerce is the right solution for you? Reach out to our experts or visit our website to learn more.